Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Today. In this video, I will tell you how to invest your first $1000 in the crypto market. This is a beginner's portfolio and this is how you should invest your first $1000 in the crypto market. So let's get started. For creating this demo, I will be using a website known as coinmarketcap.com. It is a very good website and I personally prefer this website because it has a lot of news regarding the crypto market. It has every coin available in the crypto market. Here you can see every coin available. For example, if you want to know about Cardano, you can click on Cardano and see the latest performance of Cardano. Here you can see the chart of the performance regarding Cardano, and here you can vary the dates also, like 7 days, 1 month, 3 months. So let's see the last 3 months performance of Cardano. When you click on 3 months, here you can see how Cardano is performing for the past 3 months. And if you scroll down, you can see the latest news regarding Cardano. What is the latest trending news regarding Cardano? Here you can see the latest news, and also you can add and remove Cardano to your watch list. Based on the performance of the Cardano in the particular watch list, you can decide whether to invest or not to invest in this coin. So now let's see how to invest your first $1000 in the crypto market. We are going to keep it simple. We are not going to invest in any crypto hidden gems and other and in coins where there is a lot of speculation. We're going to invest in coins that are very much popular and that are going to give you some good returns in the future and which are there in the market for the long time. So let's get started. Here click on portfolio. After clicking on portfolio, you have to create a new portfolio. We will name it as $1000 beginner portfolio. Then click on create portfolio. After clicking on create portfolio, here we'll be adding a new transaction. Always remember, if you are a beginner and if you want to invest money in crypto, the first coin that you should buy is Bitcoin. So here we are investing $1000 in the crypto market. So 30% of your portfolio should be Bitcoin. So 30% of $1000 is 300 rupees. So let's invest 300 rupees in Bitcoin. 0.0071. That is around $300. So let's add this transaction. Here you can add notes regarding your transaction. So here we'll be adding never sell Bitcoin. Okay, add note. Then click on add transaction. This transaction will be added to your portfolio. So here you can see Bitcoin worth $300 has been added to your portfolio. Here you can see the performance of your portfolio, how Bitcoin is performing for over the last 24 hours. So the next coin that we are going to add to our portfolio is Ethereum. So let's click on add new and we click on Ethereum. So we'll be adding 20% of our portfolio to Ethereum, that is around $200. So 0.069 is around $200. So let's add this transaction. Here you can see that Ethereum is added. So the next coin that we are going to add to our portfolio is Cardano. We'll be adding around 20% of our portfolio to Cardano. So it is around $200. So it will be around 94 ADA, which is around $200. So let's add this transaction. The next coin that we are going to add to our portfolio is XRP. We'll be adding around $100 of XRP to our portfolio. So which is around 106 XRP, which is around $100. So let's add this transaction. Now let's see our portfolio. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano and XRP, and we have left around $200. So let's add some more coins. We'll be adding $100 worth of VeChain, which is a very good project and which is very underrated. So we'll be adding around $100 of VeChain to our portfolio, which is around 1095 VeChain. So let's add this transaction. So we are left with one more $100. So let's add Polygon Matic to our portfolio. Polygon Matic, yes. Yeah, let's add around 88 Matic, which is around $100. So let's add this transaction. Yeah, our portfolio has reached $1,000. Let's see our portfolio. This is our portfolio. It has Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain, Polygon and XRP. This is completely a beginner's portfolio and it is completely very much safe. So this is how a beginner's portfolio should look like. We didn't do anything fancy here. We just invested our money in 6 coins which are fundamentally and functionally very strong. You have to follow this portfolio if you are a beginner. Thank you. So here is a quick update regarding the crypto market. Crypto market is experiencing a huge dip right now. Everything is in red color. So don't panic sell your coins. Try to hold them and if possible try to add more coins to your portfolio and everything will be alright in a week, and it is just a small correction. Thank you for watching the video. If you don't want to miss any updates, please subscribe to my channel.